Hello guys, in this video are two examples of how to use the Pythagoras theorem. We use the Pythagoras theorem to find the missing length of a right-angled triangle. Now, if we have a right-angled triangle with sides labeled A, B, and C, the Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse, or the longest side, which is in our case C, squared, should be equal to side A squared plus side B squared. Example 1. We have a right-angled triangle with two sides labeled 3 meters and 4 meters. Let's take A to be 3 meters and B to be 4 meters. We want to find the value of C. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can write C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Now, substituting into the formula, we have C squared should be equal to A, which is 3 meters squared, plus B, which is 4 meters squared. 3 meters squared is 9 square meters. 4 meters times 4 meters is 16 square meters. 9 plus 16 is 25 square meters. So we have C squared is equal to 25 square meters. That means C is equal to the square root of 25 square meters, which is equal to 5 meters. So C is equal to 5 meters. Example 2. Let's look at the right-angled triangle PQR, in which PR is 13 centimeters and PQ is 5 centimeters. We want to find the length QR. The longest side of this triangle, which is the hypotenuse, is PR. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can write PR squared is equal to QR squared plus PQ squared. Substituting into this, we have 13 centimeters squared is equal to QR squared plus 5 centimeters squared. 13 centimeters squared is 169 square centimeters. 5 centimeters squared is 25 square centimeters. So we have 169 square centimeters is equal to QR squared plus 25 square centimeters. Taking 25 square centimeters to the left-hand side, now we have 169 minus 25 square centimeters. This is equal to QR squared. 169 minus 25 square centimeters is 144 square centimeters. This is equal to QR squared. QR is equal to the square root of 144 square centimeters. That means QR is equal to 12 centimeters. Thanks for watching.